Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you are watching all my videos and liking them. That's such a nice thing. And today we are going to Muskoka. I'm so happy because we were planning this from really long time and this was not happening. So let's go to Muskoka. I didn't do any makeup. We just woke up and we just planned that let's go today, and that's it. So I brought my makeup. I'm gonna sit in the car because the drive is for 2 hours and do my makeup, have fun, then reach there and show you what exactly we are gonna do. So let's start doing our makeup together, and then you can enjoy watching. I don't know what I'm gonna do there because it's even I'm going for the first time. So let's see what's there. You and me together gonna explore. Let's go. Hey, look at these. Look at this beautiful road. Oh my god, so nice. Are you having fun? I look so
I'm having too
fucking
much fun. I
pretty.
just got out of my car and I just started walking and having too much fun. I don't know what.
That's so funny.
Yeah, that was sarcasm.
That was it. Okay. He just roasted me. That was not funny. Okay, welcome back, and we are at Muskoka after 2 hours of driving, and I feel so nice. My curls look so good, and we are walking on the roads of Muskoka. You can see I have no clue what we are gonna do, what's the next plan. We are just walking and exploring things, and let's see where we go. Let me just show you my outfit. You can tell me how do I look.
Yeah, review.
So we are walking. Camera third taraf. We are just walking on the road. Let's see what we do. Let's go. Let me just show you the beautiful town. Do we call this Muskoka as town?
This is Huntsville.
That's Huntsville. Look at that. Is this a river? What is it, Karan? It's a lake. Oh my god. Takat. Now look. This is the lake in Muskoka, and we are just walking and watching this lake. It's so pretty. Let me show you myself.
Yeah.
Ready? So we are here, and this is the lake in Muskoka. You can see. We're having so much fun. Let's watch what's next.
A little more there, or you're good with that?
I'll be good.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Enjoy.
This is our pasta, chicken on the side, and the drink which we have already completed with this beautiful view. Yay! Now let me just enjoy my food and I'll get back to you later. Look at this sunlight falling on me. Oh my god, I look so golden. And that's so pretty. The skin is so nicely shining. I just love this. So I wanted to record and show that how beautiful sunlight I am getting here. And I look so pretty. We're done with eating and now we are walking on the roads. I mean, not on the roads, like here and there in the town to just explore the little shops and all. And let's see, we thought we could do boating and all, but it's so sunny and we don't want to do that. Yeah, I'll show you how beautiful the town is and what we do next. So stay with me. We're here at a collectible shop and it's so pretty. I just love it. I love going to such shops. It's so nice. Let me just go around. Hi guys, let me just show you what is this. Look at this. This is a rabbit's fur. This. Look at this. It's written here. Oh my god. And this is also something like that. Yeah. See, these are the ones, and they are so soft. Just can't tell how soft they are. These are the skulls of various things, you know. Like this is the teeth of bear, and oh my god, This is for the snake. I'm just going mad. It's so fun. These are leathers, we can make things out of it. And let's go further. It's so pretty, this place. I just can't tell you. As I'm walking forward, everything's like a dream. Like, you know, it's not a it is a collective shop, but it is like a museum too, I feel like. I'll show you a few more things. You can check. It's so nice. That was such a nice collective art place, and now we are moving back to our car and going to some other place to explore the town. Let's go. I walked a lot, so I'm feeling tired. All the pasta is in. Pas gaya already, pura pasta. Let's go to the another stop. We just came to a spot with the beautiful lake behind me. You can see. Oh, this was so nice. And we clicked few photos here. I'll be popping them here. And after that, now we are moving back to somewhere. I don't know. This is my tripod with which this is my tripod, and with this I just took few pictures. And it's so hot that I just can't speak, okay? Now I'm walking back to my car, and then I don't know what am I gonna do. My hair looks so perfect, and the sunlight is also falling so well. Oh my god. I don't know how many times I don't know, oh my god, but it is so much fun. Okay, then let's go to another destination and show you what we do next in Muskoka. I know you may find it little slow, but Muskoka's beauty is calmness, nature. That's it, yeah. And the art over here, we went to the shops which were artistic shops, so those are the beauties here. Mostly the nature. Canada is all about nature. So if you love nature, you should visit Canada. Okay, let's go to stop 3, I think. Bye. Beautiful place. I have no idea what are we doing, where are we going. But I mean, this is like what is it? It's like a mountain we are climbing. We're going down, up, between all the trees. I don't know. Where are we going? It's so much fun. Oh my god! It's so pretty. Let's go. This human going down. We did it! And guys, I just can't get over this view. Just sitting here, and this is so peaceful and nice. Would love to come next time and stay in those type of places, and those cottages, and spend a night doing those activities.
So yeah, Antaya is all about, just getting out, exploring new places, sitting in your backyard by the lake, getting into water, spending the night with the family.
Yeah, that's correct.
So that's so nice.
Just traveling back, I forgot to vlog in between. I went to Winners to shop a little, and now we are heading back to home, and we'll stop somewhere to eat our dinner, maybe, if we eat, or else we'll be eating at home. I'll show you that, or else we'll close this vlog here. And that was it for Muskoka vlogging. Muskoka vlog, and I will be coming back again here to stay. I think one day little trip was not enough to enjoy all the natural beauty, nature's beauty we have. So I'll be coming back, and you can watch me again when I come back. So till then, what you need to do is please subscribe to my channel, like, and please let me know what are you liking, not liking. I don't see people commenting on my videos. Please do that. Okay, bye.